Welcome to our A2 key video that offers advice on how to complete the Reading and Writing Part 5. This part tests how well you can use grammar by reading a short text about a person, animal, or thing with 8 gaps to fill in. You might be tested on prepositions like these. You could also be tested on pronouns like these. In addition to modals that come before the main verb like these, it could also be adverbs like these, or even adjectives like these. So today we will look at a text about dolphins. As you can see, there are 8 gaps to fill with one example. Let's have a closer look. This is the example. The best way to do this exercise is to read the text first and guess the word that fits. As you can see, the correct word is to. Let's look at question 1. Can you work out the correct word? Here are the options. So this is the answer. So try to do the same for question 2. Look at the words before and after the gap. Here are the options. So the answer is which. For question 3, we are looking for a pronoun. But which one? Were you right? For question 4, we're looking for a word before the main verb. Here are the choices. So the answer is this one. For question 5, we're looking for an adverb. Here are your choices. So the answer is this one. For question 6, we're looking for a word before a noun. Here are your choices. So the answer is this one. For question 7, we're looking for an adjective. Here are your choices. The answer must be this one, because we use it for plurals. Finally, for question 8, we're looking for a preposition. Here are your choices. So the answer must be this one. So to do this task well, you should read the whole text first and try to guess what words will go in the gaps. If the word you guessed is one of the options, you are probably right. However, you still need to check the other options to see if they are wrong. I hope you found this video helpful. Please click on the link below for daily exercises on ESLeschool.com.